Tired of messy spaces, dim lighting, and stubborn dirt? Well, today we're diving into the top 10 home improvement gadgets on Amazon that will transform your home into a cleaner, brighter, and more organized space. Number 1. If you're looking for a smart way to reclaim your undersink clutter, this 2-pack organizer is an excellent solution. Measuring approximately 11.8 inches wide, 15.9 inches deep, and adjustable in height from 13.8 to 16.9 inches, it provides ample space for storing tall bottles, cleaning supplies, and other essentials. Advanced stability is achieved with 4 large suction cups and 2 nano-adhesive films, securing up to 50 pounds so that items remain firmly in place. Constructed from thicker, heavier steel with a 1-inch reinforced frame, the organizer is built to last and resists wobbling when accessed. With a smooth 2-tier sliding design, reaching items at the back is effortless, eliminating the need to bend or kneel. 5 height settings add flexible storage options, making it ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, pantries, or closets. Experience a cleaner, organized life now. Number 2. Looking to reduce noisy drafts and save energy at home? The Grow Theory Under-Door Draft Stopper is designed to keep your space quiet and comfortable with ease. Made from flexible silicone, it bends and deforms without harming your floors while offering a durable, long-lasting solution for ceiling gaps. Measuring 2 inches wide by 39 inches long, this self-adhesive strip fits a variety of door types, including exterior, interior, RV, and garage doors, as well as windows and even furniture gaps. Its clever triple design not only minimizes noise and dust infiltration, but also enhances your room's energy efficiency in both winter and summer. Installation is simple. Just cut it to the required length, remove the protective backing, and press it firmly in place. Enjoy a more energy-efficient, peaceful home environment that saves money on heating and cooling bills, all with minimal effort and maximum impact. Experience improved comfort every day. Number 3. Transform your outdoor experience with the Sulpex solar deck lights. Designed with a stylish brown shell and warm white LED, these lights provide a gentle glow that illuminates decks, stairs, patios, and gardens, while creating a secure atmosphere for nighttime navigation. They automatically charge under sunlight in just 4 to 5 hours and switch on at dusk, ensuring your outdoor space stays inviting and safe all night. There is no need for switches. Simply pull the insulator tab to activate them. Their versatile design is perfect for enhancing fences, balconies, driveways, or any area that gets plenty of direct sunlight. Installation is easy with screws, and the compact size ensures there is no risk of tripping. If the light momentarily fails to function, a gentle tap usually gets it working again, keeping your evenings illuminated and filled with warm ambiance. Enjoy a beautifully lit outdoor space that enhances every evening. Number 4. Enhance your kitchen or workspace with these upgraded 10-inch under-cabinet lights that bring smart functionality and flexibility to your daily routine. The motion sensor mode automatically activates when movement is detected within 10 feet in low light, eliminating the need to fumble for a switch in the dark. For longer tasks like reading or meal preparation, you can opt for the always-on feature, ensuring consistent illumination all day. With 40 energy-saving LEDs behind a non-glare frosted cover, the lights offer 5 adjustable brightness levels to suit your preferences without disturbing others. Powered by a built-in 1800 mAh rechargeable battery and charged via USB-C, these lights free you from wiring hassles or constant battery replacements. Enjoy up to several weeks of operation in sensor mode and hours on continuous full brightness. This sleek design delivers convenience, safety, and energy savings for any modern home. Number 5. Experience a stylish and affordable upgrade to your flooring with these Kukos carpet tiles. Crafted from premium non-woven fabric and 100% polyester, these tiles offer excellent durability and resist stains beautifully, ensuring a lasting shine in any room. Installation is a breeze. Simply peel off the backing adhesive and apply each 12 by 12-inch tile on a flat, dry surface. Their versatile design invites creativity. You can mix and match colors or trim the squares with scissors or a utility knife for custom patterns. With a soft padded texture and a 0.2-inch thickness, these tiles provide a cozy, comfortable underfoot feel that adds warmth to your home or office. Suitable for bedrooms, kitchens, basements, and even commercial spaces, they are the perfect alternative to traditional carpeting. Enjoy a modern, DIY-friendly solution combining style and functionality for any space. Number 6. Looking to keep your cleaning tools neatly stored and easily accessible? This versatile mop and broom holder wall mount does just that while doubling as an excellent solution for organizing garage or garden tools. It comes with everything needed for an easy, hassle-free installation, including screws, anchors, a drilling template, and a guide, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Its durable design can hold up to 11 tools, with each slot supporting up to 7.5 pounds and a total weight capacity of 38 pounds. The quick-release slots feature non-slip soft rubber grids, ensuring that even wet mops or heavier items like baseball bats are securely held. Beyond cleaning necessities, this handy organizer is ideal for keeping umbrellas, shopping bags, or coats off the floor, creating valuable space while adding a touch of order and convenience to your home. Experience streamlined organization, enhancing every aspect of daily life. Number 7. Experience cleaner air and a more inviting home environment with the Lavoy Air Purifier. This smart device works tirelessly to capture lint, pet dander, hair, and even the tiniest airborne pollutants using its efficient pre-filter and main filter system. The activated carbon filter takes it a step further by neutralizing smoke, odors, and fumes, so you can breathe fresh, clean air all day long. Designed for any space, the compact Lavoy Core Mini P fits seamlessly into your bedroom, kitchen, or office. Its auto-off display ensures that you enjoy uninterrupted sleep and a calming ambiance, perfect for unwinding after a long day. With this purifier by your side, every breath feels like a mini detox, letting you focus on what matters most. Embrace the refreshing change that comes with cleaner air and improved indoor comfort for you and your loved ones. Breathe deeply every day and enjoy a healthier, vibrant life. Number 8. Transform your cooking experience with this versatile 2-in-1 glass oil sprayer and dispenser that effortlessly transitions from pouring to spraying. Perfect for air fryers, salads, and everyday recipes. This 470 milliliters bottle ensures each trigger release delivers a precise 1/4 teaspoon of olive oil for consistent flavor and healthy meals. Its premium construction using durable glass and food-grade PP provides reliable performance, while its dark green exterior protects oil from sunlight and heat. Ergonomically designed with an easy-to-grip handle and detachable nozzle, this gadget offers convenience in both use and cleaning. Enjoy refined oil management and a mess-free kitchen as you control every drop to enhance your dishes. Built with efficiency in mind, it makes perfect sense for those who value smart, stylish kitchen accessories that support a healthier lifestyle. Upgrade your culinary tools and savor each meal with precision. Experience a new era of truly effortless gourmet cooking. Number 9. Experience the ultimate in outdoor lighting with the Tough Enough Solar Outdoor Lights. These smart security lights are designed with 210 ultra-bright LED beads that deliver up to 2,500 lumens of crisp, 6,500 K brilliance, ensuring your courtyard, garage, or pool area remains brilliantly illuminated. With a remote control offering 3 modes, strong sensor, dim sensor, and strong long light, you can easily tailor the lighting to suit any situation. The innovative 3-head design provides a wide 270-degree illumination and intelligent motion detection, up to 26 feet, giving you peace of mind and enhanced security. A built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery and efficient solar panel keep these lights running even on less sunny days, while the IP65 waterproof rating means they stand strong in rain, snow, or sunshine. Enjoy hassle-free installation with no wires, just the included screws, and let your outdoor spaces shine. Bring safety and beauty to your nights. Number 10. Discover a new level of cleaning efficiency with this versatile crevice cleaning brush that conquers every hard-to-reach nook in your home. Its ultra-fine, durable bristles are tougher than a toothbrush, penetrating deep into narrow gaps to remove stubborn dirt and grime with ease. The ergonomically designed handle ensures a comfortable grip, making scrubbing effortless on window tracks, sliding door grooves, baseboards, blinds, and even fan crevices. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and outdoor areas, this multi-purpose gap brush covers every messy corner, from shower door tracks to tight spaces behind furniture. Built from high-quality nylon, it promises long-lasting performance for daily use without wearing out. Transform your cleaning routine and save time while keeping every room sparkling clean. Enjoy the satisfaction of reaching every crevice, and let this innovative tool bring convenience and efficiency to your home cleaning experience. Absolutely make cleaning easier and more enjoyable with this must-have household tool.